Hello, first graders. This is our Chapter 8 test, check, and review. So I'm going to go over each question. Probably going to be pretty quick. You guys did an excellent job. I'm so impressed with how you guys did on this test. Honestly, I think every single person got every question wrong except for one question. And that one question, not a single person got right. So I'm going to go over these so we can quickly check. Symmetry right here, right away to start it off. I saw that everybody cut their shapes in half this way. Now, for sure, the trapezoid, that is the only line of symmetry that you could have done. But you could have maybe done another line of symmetry. You could have gone up and down for the diamond. You could have done something like that. For the house, great drawings. You guys did an awesome job. They looked very symmetrical. Going down to number 3, the answer was 31. And I loved seeing how many different ways you guys could name 31. So just a couple examples, like a dime. Oh, I need one more dime. I forgot to add one more dime. So dime, 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 penny, 10, 20, 30, 31. I also did 31 times 1. That equals 31. I did 3 longs, 1 cube, our base 10 blocks, so that's how you make 31 with base 10 blocks. I had 31 tallies over here. Now count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. 25 plus 6. Think if you had 25 plus 5, that equals 30, plus 1 more, 31. 40 minus 9 equals 31 as well. So good job, guys. You figured out so many different ways to make 31. Number 4, it says write the number, circle the number in the ones place. So we take a look. We know we have 1 10, so we have a 1 in our tens place. We know we have a 1 single cube, so we combine it. That makes 11, so we have a 1 in our ones place, a 1 in our tens place. Now go ahead, circle that first number on the far right. That very first number that reads on the far right is our ones column. I don't think I saw a single person get that wrong. That was fantastic. Way to go, first graders. Now on number 5, we have our domino fact family, okay? So we were working with 6 and 4. I like to label mine, so I put 6 and 4 up there. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Then we do our turnaround fact. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now remember, when we go to subtraction, we start with the biggest number, and 10 was our biggest number, so we're taking away from 10. That was our total. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and 10 minus 4 is 6 for that turnaround fact. So you guys did an awesome job on that as well. Again, I cannot say how proud I was of you. You guys were fantastic. Number 6, Kimmy bought 5 lollipops. Each lollipop cost 5 cents. How much did Kimmy pay? Now I drew 5 lollipops. Each lollipop cost 5 cents. Now we can count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 cents is our total, so I wrote it down here, 25 in cent notation. Now remember, if we're doing dollar-cent notation, we know that 25 cents does not equal $1, so we have $0, and remember the period is and, or that decimal point is and 25 cents. So $0 and 25 cents. Now number 7, guys, this was the one not a single person got right, and I'm so sorry about this. It's a tough problem. To be honest, it is outside of a first grader's, it's really not a first grade question. So it was a challenge. It was tricky. But if you take a look, most people, I saw a lot of people with the answer 1/3. Now, boys and girls, I can 100% see why you said 1/3. There are 1, 2, 3 pieces that you can see. But remember, this is a cube. A cube has 6 sides. Imagine a dice. So if you're at home and you have a dice, count how many sides are on a dice. There are 6 sides that make up a dice. So each side is an equal part. Now that means each side is one of 6 parts. So if you label each part or each equal part, it should have actually been 1/6. Now the reason you said 1/3 is because you couldn't see that other side here, there, or underneath. So there are 3 sides that we cannot see. There's 1, 2, 3 sides that we can't see. Again, go ahead, grab a dice or grab an Amazon box or something like that and count how many sides there are. You will figure out that there are 6 sides, so each side is 1/6 of the whole. Okay, now number 8, you guys did an awesome job matching up the base or the face to each 3-dimensional shape. Not a single person got that wrong, so fantastic. And number 9, guys, it was up to you. You got to fill in your own fact triangle or your own fact family, and I saw a lot of different answers. You guys all got it right. So like I said, everyone got every question right except for number 7, which is a very tough one. Honestly, consider that a bonus question. It's tough. We've seen it. I did go over it in the review, but I know it's not easy to remember everything we review. But take a look at it now. I think it's going to stick with you guys that if we're working with a 3-dimensional shape like this, remember there's going to be more sides than what you can see. Okay, so that about does it. That does it for our Chapter 8 math test. And guess what, boys and girls? We are done with everyday math this year. So we have no more new math curriculum. What we're going to do for the rest of distance learning is we're going to do a lot more just review and skills practice. You guys are such great mathematicians already. We're just going to get better and keep building our skills. And by the time you're in 2nd grade, your teachers are going to be so impressed with how much you know. All right. Well, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow with our blue math learning packet, okay?